I want to do a quick review for you on this no stress chess. So I learned to play chess the standard way, but I got this to help both my son and my daughter learn how to play in a way that helps to cut down the anxiety and some of the overwhelm because I don't know, for me, learning chess was a little overwhelming. So, but using this makes it a lot more fun and easy to go along and do as you go, right? So it makes it pretty simple. So it comes with these different sets of cards. So these different stacks that I have here, these are all stacks of the same cards. And basically, um, the instruction has different levels of types of play. So depending on if you're a brand new beginner to as you get more advanced, so different sets of instructions for playing. But basically, you shuffle these up, you have your draw pile here, and as you play, you draw a card, and then it gives you the instructions of what you can do and how each card or how each piece can move. Right, so it's important to make sure, like I said, that you keep the instructions so as you advance through, you know how to play the different versions of it. But it makes it really easy for everyone to know how the pieces move and without having to try to memorize everything right away, and really start to help you develop strategy as you grow and advance with the game. So both of my kids have learned this way and they're getting really good, um, starting to beat me a little bit. So I mean, if you're looking for a fun way to learn chess or to help your kids learn chess, I think this is a really good way to go.